Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum application not working on the Samsung TV. So here, in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you should try is a complete TV reset because temporary memory glitches often break the streaming application. So first of all, you need to turn off your Samsung TV completely. After that, you need to unplug it from the power outlet. Then wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So this waiting time is important because it is going to clear the temporary system cache and also refreshes the TV's internal memory. Now after this time, you just have to plug the TV back in and simply turn it on. Now after turning it on, open the Spectrum application again. Most of the time the issues are resolved right after this particular solution. But in your case, if the issue still persists, you can hop on to the second solution, in which you just have to simply update your Spectrum application on your device. So the outdated applications frequently stop working. So you can just open the App Store on your Samsung TV and search for the Spectrum application. Now, when you are able to find it, you just have to install the update on your device. So app compatibility problems are often fixed through the updates. So after doing this, the third thing that you need to check is you need to check the internet stability. So you can try opening another application on your TV and see if those applications are loading properly. If those are not loading properly, it means that the problem is with your network connection. So you can restart your router in this case. So if the problem continues, you can remove the application completely. So you just have to simply delete the Spectrum application on your TV first. After that, restart your TV and reinstall the application as fresh. So this is also going to clear the corrupted app data that may be causing the crashes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.